The PurVac full stainless steel vacuum cleaner is mounted on a durable trolley for easy handling. An integrated basket allows the easy storage of accessories such as the various available nozzles. The trackless rubber casters with grease-free housings are fully autoclavable and lockable at the rear. A signal-colored cable with special coating is installed, which is disinfectant resistant. A bracket on the trolley provides an easy fixture of the handpiece when it is not in use. PurVac machines feature an innovative build with professional motor and a robust power switch. The ULPA outlet filter has a special shield to direct the exhaust air in a laminar downward flow, effectively preventing air turbulences in the clean room. The 4-stage filtration of the PurVac machines includes 2 ULPA filters, a textile L filter and a special disposable microfiber bag in the tank. The stainless steel recovery tank features a rounded interior and a hose connector with an attached screw cap for safe containment. A main feature of the PurVac A series is the separately lowable tank. This provides quick and easy access as well as simplifying the process of emptying the tank. Attach the suction hose to the tank by fixing the screw connector. A rotatable swivel joint is fixed to the handpiece for better handling. The extension wands and nozzles are easily attached to the handpiece. For floor cleaning, attach the floor nozzle with wheels. After switching the machine on, the recovery of dry or wet materials can begin. PurVac offers fitting accessories for every cleanroom application. Each machine is equipped with a comprehensive accessory set, including 4 silicone nozzles, 2 floor nozzles, stainless extension wands, and a flexible lightweight hose. Optionally, a wide variety of special nozzles are available. A unique microfiber filter bag enables a safe and touch-free disposal. It is also suitable for small amounts of fluid. Larger amounts of fluid are recovered directly into the tank. To change the microfiber bag, simply detach the hose and close the tank with the cap. This ensures that no liquids or powders can escape from the recovery tank. Lower the tank by lifting the handle and pull forwards. The tank can now be taken out of the clean room and fitted with a new filter bag while the motor and filter unit remains in the clean room. The system remains closed at all times. This special tank design enables a substantial saving of effort and time. The filter system of the PurVac machines consists of 4 stages. Dry medium is recovered into the microfiber bag inside the tank, providing the first filter stage. The textile L filter, which is placed above the tank, represents the second filter stage. To exchange the microfiber bag, simply remove it from the suction inlet piece and close the bag with the attached cap. All PurVac machines can be used for the recovery of liquids. To enable this, the machine is simply fitted with a floater system. This ensures that the suction is shut down when the tank is full. For the recovery of chemicals, disinfectants or active substances, an additional active carbon filter is available. To exchange the ULPA filters or access the motor, simply open the machine with a quick connect system and detach the motor unit. The filters can be replaced by unscrewing the attachment plate. The entire tank unit as well as the trolley can be autoclaved and are disinfectant resistant. The quick lock fasteners easily lock the motor head in place by closing the handle. For more information, visit our website hydroflex-solutions.com.